When people think about growing watermelons, they assume that it's one of those things that you can't really grow in the UK, but you can. And there's a variety that you can grow that doesn't grow huge, and it's called Sugar Baby. And the fruits grow to about 10 inches across, so they're perfect little fruits to just pop into your fridge. The vine of these plants will grow to around 12 feet long. So you do need a bit of space, and ideally you want to be growing these in a greenhouse because they're not a cold hardy plant. So they're the seeds that you get, and these seeds last for around 4 years. I did actually see some of these seeds in Lidl a few days ago, which I was quite surprised at, but they're the 29p ones as well. So if you want to have a go at these, just go and get one of your 29p packs from Lidl, and you're not losing a whole lot if they don't work out for you. So I'm going to sow 12 into one of these, so they've got plenty of room to grow on, because you don't want to be putting these out until your last frost date's passed, which in the UK for some people is going to be mid-April to beginning of May. So we'll just get some composting, and then I'll tell you what you need to do to get these seeds to germinate. So now we fill that pipe, we'll get a good watering. So now that's all watered, we're just going to pop one seed per cell, because they are quite big seeds. You can do 2 if you want, and if 2 do grow you can just take the stronger seedling. Now they're in there, we're just going to poke them down with a pencil. But don't poke them too deep. About a centimetre, they'll be fine. And having done that, we'll just cover them over with his fingers. So now that's all done, stick a bit of cling film over the top to retain some of that moisture while the seeds are germinating. And also, just be aware that these seeds can take up to 3 weeks to germinate. While you're waiting for these seeds to germinate, you need to bear certain things in mind as well. They will not germinate in a greenhouse. It's too cold. So you'll have to put them indoors, and you want to try and maintain a temperature between 70 and 80 degrees. And don't let the cells completely dry out either. Once your seeds do germinate, you can see the little seedlings coming out of the soil, you can drop the temperature down to about 65, 70 while they're growing on a little. But you will need to then plant them in the greenhouse. If you plant them outside and we get any really bad weather, they won't survive. But you can plant them in your greenhouse because, as I said, the vine grows to about 12 feet. So you can kind of grow it up and across trellis, any kind of a structure for it to cling onto and grow up. And the fruits will only weigh between 6 and 10 pounds. So you can support them with some ties once they start to grow. So it is possible to grow melons in the UK, and I find that the Sugar Baby variety is one of the easy ones to grow. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see some more in future, just hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll see you at the next video. Take care.